Switch to the push-pull tool, and we need to extrude the cabin of our ship. Click and then click the control key so it starts a new extrusion, and we want to extrude 3 feet. So type 3 feet and press enter to get your exact cabin size. Let's open up our ship using the offset tool. Click on that front face, making sure you've got it so it says on face, and type 3 inches. At that point, click on the push-pull tool, and we want to push-pull it through until it gets to the back edge. And if you touch the back corner with the red tip, it automatically cuts it out, and you can orbit and see how awesome your ship has become. Choose your orbit tool, and let's look at the top of our roof. I'm going to scroll out so I can see it a little better, and switch to the line tool. Move the line tool across until you find that cyan midpoint marker, and then use the red axis to connect it all the way to the back. Switch to the move tool, and then on the move tool, when you get to the midpoint of that line, you can lift it up on the blue axis and type 2 feet and instantly have a cool roof on your ship. Let's orbit to the side, and from the side let's offset this 4 inches. Find your offset tool, click your edges. If you accidentally click and it's not adjustable, do the undo. I'm going to orbit a little more and look in again, and now it's adjustable, and I can type 4 inches so I get the perfect shape that I wanted. I am going to orbit again, and then from the side I'm going to push-pull that, and I'm going to point the red tip at that corner so it totally offsets my shape. Do those exact same steps quickly from the other side. Find your offset, make it 4 inches, do your push-pull, and you can still put the red tip on that corner so it cuts out our awesome ship's cabin. Once complete, make sure you tap that save icon so it's stored in your Google Drive.